Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Vegan Vibes here on More with E Mondays. It's your girl E, and I have another easy, fun recipe, very colorful, quick to make, and I want y'all to check it out. So let's get right into it. Today we're going to be making pasta salad. Now this dish is great for the summer because it's light, colorful, and very healthy. And of course, it's tasty. This will be a great dish to bring to any summer event. It's fun and it's really easy to put together. So let's make some pasta salad. The first thing you'll need is your pasta. I chose the veggie Rotini because it's a healthier choice. Some grape tomatoes, cucumbers, chopped red onions, green onions, and some Italian dressing. We will pour all of our pasta inside of a pot to boil for about 7 minutes. Then stir thoroughly throughout to avoid it from sticking together. Next, we will drain the pasta and run some cold water through it so it can cool off. Then we will take our big mixing bowl and place all the ingredients inside together. Now, one thing I noticed is that I had to buy another Italian dressing because one wasn't enough. But hey, it happens. 2 should definitely do. Then last, all we have to do is stir it fully to make sure it's combined. That's it, and nothing to it but to do it. So if you're looking for something light and quick to make while staying healthy, this pasta salad is just for you. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. And I can't forget about eating it. But until next time. Now see, wasn't it real easy to make? And it's also tasty. And it's a great dish to take for any type of summer event. So for more of those, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, please. Also, follow me on Instagram at Real Vegan Vibes and my personal page at More with E. So you can check me out next week here on Vegan Vibes, More with E Mondays. It's your girl E. I'm out.